need you, Emerald.
Cause it's you.
You're the one that I want.
You.
I don't know this song.
Everything that I want. You.
Okay, it's okay. Push it.
Hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel.
Yeah.
These are our cousins, Lulu
Stay in the video.
and
Jesus Christ.
I am still here.
Emerald.
Yeah.
Yay.
Emerald.
It's so
Today-
lovely to be back here. I missed you guys.
Yeah. Okay. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing haul for all the things we bought this Christmas because it's Christmas. So let's start.
Okay.
Louis, bring out your LOL.
Bring up.
No.
Ta-da! Technically, she's already unboxed this, but anyways, this is her LOL doll.
surprise doll.
Yeah.
Confetti wrap.
And she's uploaded the video of how unboxing it on her YouTube channel, so I'm going to link it in the description box. Go and watch it and subscribe to her channel, please.
Okay, hold it.
And if you have like little cousins that like, or siblings that like dolls and stuff, they should also subscribe because that's what her channel is going to be about. Then next up is the big boy. Blackpink.
We got this from Haru NG. Well, she got this from Haru NG.
Well, it's Haru Africa now because they've expanded to the whole of Africa. I won a giveaway, so kudos to them. And I got the Blackpink album and light stick. I've gotten what it's called, Myung or something like that. Turn it on. Ah, it's on. But okay, you can see it. Then if you turn it,
Let me do it.
What's it?
It's squeaky.
it squeaks. So we're going to go watch Blackpink in South Africa, and we're going to me and my crew.
Can I be
Yeah.
your crew?
Yeah, you can. If you're cool enough, you can be.
But it's like a baby.
So let's open it. Technically, I've already opened it, so that's not what I'm doing. That's why I'm not doing a proper unboxing video. But so you guys can see it, this is how it looks. This is like an outer film, and then it comes off. It comes off. But we're going to leave it on. Then, right when you
Let's
open
do
it.
kill friend Marian.
Okay. So we're going to play friend, marry, and kill. So whoever it opens up to is going to be our friend.
Can I go and join this game?
Lisa.
Oh yeah, Lisa. So Lisa is our friend.
Lisa is our
my
friend.
best friend.
Then who are we going to marry?
Who's it from friend?
Okay. Yes!
Who is that? Who is this? Rose.
That is my bias, you guys.
That she's
My
my bias.
bias is Lisa.
She's my bias. Rose is my bias. Like
Lisa is my bias.
Then who are we
So
going to
cool.
kill?
Jeez.
This is just be to see.
No!
Who is
Is
this?
that a cute Jamie?
Oh, she's still ahead of her. How do you
Okay,
call
so basically the theme for the photo book is just like, I don't know, it's just like a normal photo shoot. It's like they're modeling for brands and stuff. So we're going to skip the photos. And okay, well let's look at a picture of Jesus since we didn't see one just now. Okay, yay, Jesus. You guys should look out for Jesus' new drama that's coming out next year, Snowdrop. Go and support
Watch
her.
it.
Go and watch it, yes. And now we're going to look at the photo cards, the postcards, and
The album.
yes, and the what is this called? The
Folded
poster.
poster.
Yeah. So first the poster. It's backward.
This one.
That's how you like that. And this is it.
Can I see it? You can see it.
I can see them.
They're beautiful.
Who is it?
For the photo card,
It's
we
your bias.
got Lisa.
Bias.
Lala Lisa. Woo! Mona Lisa, kind of Lisa needs an ice cream and the cheese.
Pizza.
Okay, then we got this gift card. You guys can't see my code, but this is what the front says. The back has the code, so just look at the front. Yeah. And we got a postcard of Jisoo. And that's all. That's everything about the album. Next is this pack of bonnets and stuff. I got it from from Shop Lola. Her name is Shop Lola on Instagram. Lola. Okay, Lola. It's Shop Lola. Yeah. Okay. It says, hi there. Your purchase made our day. I hope this package brightens yours. Do leave a review and share pictures with us. So yeah, I'm going to send pictures to her when I book them. How do I open? I got. So we got pillowcases.
Wow. Who's going to give that to me?
Oh my god, I need this. I need this piece.
Then 3 scrunchies.
It's not just my nails.
I also need it.
I need 3 scrunchies.
But I don't need to think, I need to go. But I also need these scrunchies.
And we got bonnets.
Bonnets! Please give me one.
I thought I already gave you one.
I don't know how to open it. Oh, this is
So
mine.
huge. I thought you didn't want the one that had this.
It's huge.
Bonnet!
I got a really big one.
This is the medium one.
Huge!
You have,
Okay, I don't worry.
you have a full head, so
You are not in the frame. Where is that coming?
Is this medium?
guys,
Look, can I wear this one? It's so pinky, black pink. Black pink.
Black pink in your area.
black and pink, so it makes black pink. Black,
No, that's the way it goes.
black.
In your area.
My hair, I look like one of all these chefs. From all these movies that they can't cook. I'm just wearing
Did you
these
show them
pants
the
for
scrunchie?
nothing.
Yeah, 3 scrunchies.
Yeah, I got some scrunchies too. Yeah. Cute. Anyways, that was all.
The
That was
next
all from that. What's next from this?
Nigerian socks.
Aha! Oh, I forgot to remove this. Okay, well, I got
Socks.
socks because I love socks from. Okay, it's here too. Niger socks, Graham. Love this guy because I got my delivery fast. I actually got it a while ago. I didn't open it because of this video. So I got these.
I like different level ones.
There's one pair. One also. I got these white ones, the Nike side that everyone wears these days, and these ones because they're cute.
Wow, there's a man photo on it.
Yeah, I love socks. Ninja socks, Graham.
90 socks.
This one is like Gucci.
Aha! Now this I won from another giveaway like months ago, but it just came recently.
Oh yeah, you want all these?
Yeah. So it's from King. What was the name? The Kinky Apothecary. Yeah. And this is the card. Okay, with it. It's really cute. Their packaging is so nice. You guys should like patronize them. They have really nice stuff. It's a hairbrush.
It's a babyless hairbrush.
Is it?
The ones that move as you brush to detangle. Yeah, brush with the best. It's really nice. I've seen videos of people
Isn't
using
it
it.
not like just normal brush?
No, that's
What's special about it?
show them what's special about it. It opens.
Wow. That's super
Oh.
cool.
So it moves with your hair so you don't rip out your hair as you're brushing, as you're detangling. Next, I got these t-shirts from... I'm going to put the name here. That's my guy actually. Please put the name there because I've ordered stuff from him before. So first, this one. And this is the back. It has the names of players, I guess. Yeah, I like it. It's cute. And then the second one I got is this one. I didn't actually like this t-shirt. I just bought it for the culture. Look at it. Bring me the horizon. Do you guys know that band? If you know that band, yeah, everyone comment it down. Perfect. Bring me the horizon. So I just got that for the culture, not because of anything else. For the culture. Now let me tell you guys a story about how I got scammed. Well, I'm not really going to go into it in detail. I might do another video if you want about the details. But let me just tell you the person who scammed me. Urban Locks on Instagram. don't buy from them. None of the things that I'm showing you guys, like none of this is sponsored. I'm just telling you guys the brand name so that you can support the businesses. If you like, you can check them out. I might link, should I? Yeah, I should just link their Instagrams in the description box so you can check them out. I'm also going to link the Urban Lux guy, so blacklist him. You can also tell your friends not to buy from them. They are scammers, they are trash, they are stupid. Okay. Next, do you want to show the phone? Okay. So this one is jewelry from Domino's Beauty Affair. Right? Okay. So this is it. It's like minimalist jewelry. That's simple. This is a simple chain. So if you're into that kind of stuff, you can get it from her.
So guys, this is my toy sewing machine.
Lights up when you plug it in. And then there's also the manual parts you can use for stitching.
It's basically like a real sewing machine.
You really so. And let me show you guys what I sew. I'm very bad, but though. I used to see I took it back from my little sister. Isn't she cute?
Let me see.
Which material is this?
It came with it.
I did my best.
Is it that sew the circle?
She sewed the side, this line.
I saw the circle too.
Yeah, I came with circle.
How can I sew a circle? Who sewed it before?
The shop. Anyways,
Don't you? Close up. Close up.
What you just told
A
you?
dollhouse for my little
Look at
sister.
it. Look at it. Wow.
There's a Peppa Pig doll house with Peppa Pig and her family.
I don't like brother.
Pig. So I got some books. This was the name
The house.
The house on Bellevue Gardens.
by Rachel Hoy. Yeah. To be honest, I didn't really have a reason for buying it. I just liked, I don't know, it looked nice. And I got Sense and Sensibility by Jane Austen. I actually wanted to get some like African books. I didn't see any that I liked. I didn't even see any at all. So I forgot about that. I also got hair clips. I also got hair ties, but they're not here. I don't know where I put them. Anyways, I got hair clips and some markers. I actually got these, some markers and pens. I got these to decorate my album because I'm going to, you know, it's a trend these days, people decorate their albums. So I was planning on doing that too. And I got some lollipops. They're huge. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything we got this Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
And don't forget to subscribe to Emerald Godar and Emerald's World.
I'll link their channels in the description box, so also subscribe to them. 1, 2, 3, Merry Christmas. 1, 2, 3,
Merry Christmas!